simple program written in C where we have initialized A with 2 and B with 3 integer values, and we are using a temporary variable to temporarily hold A's value. Okay, so these three lines will do our job, that is exchange of values between A and B. So here temp is holding A value. So now temp will be what? 2. Okay. So when we do A equal to B, B's value, that is 3, will be stored into A. Okay. Our half job is done. Now we want to store A's value into B, right? So where did we store our A value previously? In temp, right? So now B will be what? 2, right? So when we print these A and B values, what will we get? A will be 3 and B will be 2, right? So 3 comma 2. Okay, so this code, this technique using third variable will do our job, right? But there is an issue here. It is not an optimized way as we are using third variable. It can be done using two variables itself, right? Using arithmetic operators such as addition, subtraction, and also multiplication and division, or even bitwise operators. So let's go ahead with the other approaches as well. So here, if you see, in all the three approaches going further, what we are trying to do, we are either trying to add two variables or multiply two variables or do an XOR operation between two variables and assign it to A. Okay. And later try to do the other operation, which is a combo of that is subtraction or division or XOR itself, uh, between the other two and get the values B and A. Okay. Let's try to understand it better. Okay. So here, if we do A plus B, what will be the A value? Considering A will be 2 and B will be 3, it will be 5, right? Now, to get B value, what we are trying to do? A minus B, right? Previously, what value we got from A? A is 5. 5 minus what we have B? 3. Okay, 5 minus 3 will be what? 2. So B will be 2, which is the A value, right? It got changed. Now we want to store B's value into A, right? So for that, we are trying to subtract A minus B. Now A is what? 5 minus new value of B is what? 2 will give us 3, which is nothing but the expected output. Okay. So similarly, multiplication and division as well. When we multiply 2 and 3, we get 6. And when we divide 6 with what? 3, we'll get 2, which is the expected value to be stored in B, right? Which is A, right? So when we divide both new value of A and new value of B, that is 6 divided by 2, what will we get? 3, right? That is nothing but B's value stored into A. Okay. So let's talk about XOR operation in the next video. Thank you.